If you are learning to code, one of the biggest question is how can I actually make money with this skill? The truth is you don't need to be an expert to start earning. Even beginner can make real money if you focus on projects and opportunities that actually matters. Today I'm going to show you 7 real way to make money with coding. Welcome to Brilliant Codex real coding lessons to make you a stronger developer. First, freelancing on platforms. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are beginner friendly. Start small, build websites, fix bugs, write simple scripts. Don't worry if the first few projects pay little, every completed projects add a credibility and experience. Over time, you can charge hundreds of dollars per project. Freelancing teach you how to deal with the real clients, deadlines and expectations. Skill you don't be get tutorials. Second, build and sell mini projects. You can build simple tools and sell them online on platforms like Gumroad or Code Canyon. Templates, small apps, Chrome extensions, or even portfolio website. People pay because it saves them time. Even a simple project can earn money if it useful and functional. The point is to be create something real that people actually want, not something just to practice coding. Third, automate tasks for businesses. Small businesses often have a repetitive task they want to automate. If you know Python or JavaScript, you can create a script to send emails, extract data, or generate reports. Even simple automation can earn 100 to $300 per client. The key is to solve real problem for real people. You are not coding for practice here. You are coding to save someone time or money. 4. Create and sell tutorials or courses. If you understand a concept, someone else will pay to learn it. You can don't need to be a expert. Short tutorials, beginner guides or small courses work because beginners relate to someone who just ahead of them. People don't want to perfection, they want clarity. Teaching also force you to truly understand what you are coding, which is skill in your itself. Fifth, contribute to open source for sponsorship. Open source platform like GitHub sponsors or Bounty Source pay contributor for solving real issues. Even small contribution matter. You will learn how to read other people's code, work with large projects and prove your skill publicly. It's also way to get noticed by companies and developers who are hiring. Sixth, launch a SaaS or side project. Build a small tool that solve our problems. It could be a content generator, a link shorter, or a task tracker. You can start simple, get user, and charge a small fees. Side projects show you employers and clients that you can build real product from scratch. Even if it does not make use money at first, the experience is what count. 7. Work as a part-time or remote junior developer. Even as a beginner, startups and small companies hire for a small projects. Apply on LinkedIn, job boards, or reach out directly. You gain real experience and income while learning. Companies care more about what you can build, what certification you have. A few months of real projects experience beats of a year tutorials. The truth is, coding is one of the few skills where beginners can start earning while they still learning. Action matters more than perfection. Build small, solve real problems, and show the work to others. Freelance, make projects, teach, or take part-time roles. Every step adds your skill, credibility, and incomes. The sooner you start, the faster you grow. I upload daily video on coding motivation, mindset, and practical lessons. Keep building, keep learning, and turn your coding skill into the real income.